Hi, this is Lori Nichols, Communication Manager for Media Associates International. For over 35 years, MAI has been serving writers, editors, and publishers around the world. Through our conferences, training events, and online resources, we have equipped and encouraged more than 10,000 people in 90 countries. And we're honored that God has called us to this mission. With the pandemic and changing the landscape of learning this past year, we are increasing our use of digital media to provide you the tools that you need to excel in your craft. One of the ways that we're doing this is through launching a new weekly short video called One Big Idea. Each Monday, starting next week, we will bring you one big idea to consider, as well as reflection questions to consider throughout the week. These videos will be led by a variety of people from around the world who are part of the MAI community. And in the months to come, we'd love to hear from you. Do you have a topic that you'd like us to address? Head on over to the website to let us know. For 35 years, God has allowed us to be part of His big plan to use His people to impact our world for Christ. Your faithfulness to His call on your life is our biggest priority. And we pray that these new weekly videos will further equip you to create excellent content that enriches the church and influences our society.